RS Pro offers a range of more than 60,000 products, constantly updated and growing day by day, from automation and control to test and measurement. From tools to motion control, RS Pro products can support most of all industrial needs of designers, maintainers, and engineers. RS Pro products are built on choice, quality, and value, becoming the perfect option when your application requires industry standards, tested quality, and cost reduction. The RS Pro IPS 2303 comes in a neat box and includes the user manual, 2 sets of test loads and power cords. The RS Pro IPS 2303 DC power supply is incredibly accurate, flexible, and safe. It provides clean, stable outputs up to 60 volts and up to 3 amperes per channel with low ripple and noise. It is lightweight and with a more compact unit than many of its counterparts. The RS Pro IPS 2303 has 2 isolated output channels and a combined output of 180 watts. It offers protection from reverse polarity alongside overload protection and an output on-off switch that helps protect users. The RS Pro IPS 2303 also features an automated cooling fan. Under low load or no load conditions, a fan control circuit reduces the noise from the unit, ensuring quiet operations. Precise power output is ensured by an accurate regulation of voltage and current, as we can see here with the RS Pro IDM 99IV, which exactly confirms the measurement. The RS Pro IPS 2303 power supply is a great all-in-one solution, making it incredibly versatile and suitable for a range of applications such as education, laboratories, industry, electronic design, and component testing. For more information about the RS Pro power supplies and to discover the full RS Pro power management offering, visit rspro.com and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn to get the latest news.